everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my camper, and today I'm going to show you this Hawanik, H-A-W-A-N-I-K, Hawanik, and it's a wallet. And so I've been using this wallet here for a while now, and it's just kind of getting all ratty and gross and stuff. And I have one of those Tile Slim credit card thingies in it, so it keeps it from getting losses like that. But I'm switching everything over to my AirTags now, so I got some AirTags, and I'm gonna give this thing a try. So this is a wallet that has the AirTags in it. So this is the wallet here. I'll bring it up closer so you can see. This is what it looks like. It's got a few places for some credit cards there and there. I guess I'll put my money. Oops, I'm not even showing you guys. So the AirTag will go in there, credit cards there, some credit cards there, and license and money in there, I guess. So let's check this thing out. So I've got an AirTag here. I've got my NDR1 AirTag, so my number one. So let's try to slide it in here. And there it snaps into place. Wow, it seems to actually hold it pretty good, so that's cool. And now let's try putting some stuff in it and see how it goes. So let's first put some money. I've got about 7 or 8 bills in here, and it goes in there. I always kept it folded up in this one here too, because it didn't have a place for dollars. And then I've got let's see what else I got here. I got some credit cards. I got my Visa card. Let's see, that I want to put up front here because I'll use that one most often. I'll put let's see what other credit cards I have here. I got my Tesla driving card just in case I need that. I'll stick that in the second spot, and my debit card behind it there. So now I've got 3 cards and the AirTag in there, and it's still staying pretty thin. My license will obviously go in the back there. You see it's got a little place with the thing on it, so we got my license in there. Let's see, I got a couple of credit cards here. I've got 2 credit cards. I'll just stick those maybe behind where the other credit cards are. I do have my license to carry a gun card, and I don't even like guns, but then I have my pass holder for Disney World and my insurance card. So I'll stick those 3 on the other side behind my license. And there we go. So now I've got everything kind of in there, kind of. There it is, and it seems to fit pretty good. So it's got the little AirTag there, so I can stick it. If I put it in my wallet, it's not going to get caught on anything because it's got the little clip cover over it. Got my credit cards and everything in there pretty easy, and my other stuff in there, and the money and that. So hopefully this is durable and stuff, because I really like this one here. I tried a different one that didn't hold the AirTag in there, so that was no good. But this one here seems pretty good. I don't know. I guess it's some sort of leather that it's made out of. So we'll see how long it lasts. Hopefully it'll last as long as this one did. This one here lasted several years. But we'll see. So there it is. So definitely like this one here. I'm going to put a link to it in the description so you can pick one up. But this is definitely the best one of these things that I've seen. It's the Hawanik, and it came in a little plastic bag that I guess I lost. Oh, here it is. And it had a little barcode on it, if that helps anybody out. But I'll put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourself. So you can pick one up for yourselves. Link in the description. And be sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.